Alright y'all, so when you are wanting to pick a good watermelon, like a hollow sound is going to be really good, but if you look for the nice yellow sweet spot on your watermelon, that's going to be a good indicator that your watermelon is ripe and ready to eat. So majority of these here at Freshfields, they're $9.99 each. They all weigh differently because they're all different sizes, but I don't want one that's too big. But this one has a nice good sweet spot. So does that one right there. Really, really big. But I think we're going to go with this one, y'all. Because I don't want it too big, Jai. But I don't want it too small either. Hey, superstars. Welcome back to the channel. So I know I've been missing in action, but we are going to give you guys a quick little juice video. It is watermelon season. So when it's watermelon season, honey, we buy lots of watermelon. I've been buying one a week since the season started, and we are eating and drinking a lot of watermelon, which is like, they've been just so damn good. But anywho, if it is your first time to the channel, my name is Angie and this is Life with Star. Welcome to Life with Star. All right, if this video touches your spirit and your soul and you guys feel compelled to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share the video, click the notification bell so you don't miss the next upload, and of course, subscribe to the channel. So this is a 10+ pound watermelon, y'all, and I don't know the exact weight of it because it's heavy and I don't have a proper scale to put it on anyway. The scale I have, I guess, is broke, which that would explain why it tells me that I weigh a certain amount. But anywho, let's get into these watermelons, honey. Y'all see this sweet spot? I call it a sweet spot, but it's the sugar spot, honey. Same difference to me. But if you are having troubles trying to pick out the perfect watermelon, you can go by the sound, okay? If it gives you a nice hollow sound. Too hollow means too ripe though. But your sugar spot or your sweet spot, what I like to call it, is a good indicator that your watermelon sat on the ground longer and you have a watermelon that is going to be nice, yummy, and sweet. So like I said, this is a 10+ pounder. I mean, I was picking her up and she feels, I mean, it actually might weigh more than that. I don't know. But it was, that's what I'm just saying, 10+. I got it from Freshfield Farms here in Orlando, Florida. It was $9.99, y'all, for this big hunk of goodness. So we're going to juice this watermelon and I'm going to let y'all see that process. But I mean, get into this. Look at that sugar spot, baby. Oh my God, it looks so good. But anywho, all right, let's get to cutting with my dull knife, y'all. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm going to split her in half, okay? And then we have a spoon and we're literally just gonna scoop the contents like it's right out of a bowl and put it into our namaje. And then I'll show you guys that when we get to that point. I have 2 quart-sized mason jars, and then I have this juice container here. I don't know. I think I got that from like Home Goods some time ago. Honestly, Ross, who knows? Target, Walmart, maybe Publix, where shopping is a pleasure. I don't know. So anyway, those are what we're going to utilize to put our juice in. However, the last watermelon that I juiced, I got about 130 ounces of juice out of it. So this is not 130 ounces like worth of storage. But we'll see how much juice we get. I'm probably just going to enjoy a glass of it, to be honest with you. So I ain't tripping. It's not going to go to waste, that's for sure. So let's go ahead and cut this watermelon. Use a good knife though, you guys. Like, don't be stupid like me. But anywho. So I'm going to pierce it. It's just so pretty. I don't even want to do it, but. So I'm going to pierce down. Okay. Oh, may the Lord be with me. Okay, there we go. Almost there. All right. Oh my God. She's pretty. Okay, y'all. I just want like a piece. that juice is ready to come out. If you guys didn't know, watermelons are actually made up of more than 90% of water, hence why they are so great. One piece? One piece? Oh my god. Sorry, y'all. Okay. It's good. Gotta taste the product. So, watermelons are actually made up of more than 90% of water, which is why they are an excellent source for hydration, you guys. If you drink watermelon juice before like a really high intense workout, it can actually help aid in reducing the your muscles from being sore. So for all my people who are gym rats or people who like to work out, that's a good little tidbit for y'all. Okay, before we go ahead and get to juicing, some other random facts aside from the water content. It's a good energy booster, helps with eyesight, can help with your kidney, blood pressure, having a healthy heart, skin hydration, of course, and then it's full of antioxidants, so it's antioxidant rich. Some other little random facts, it is a good, excellent source as like a natural diuretic, you guys. So if you want to cleanse your body of like toxins and waste and just extra buildup that's just been accumulating over the days, weeks, months, and years, then drink you some watermelon juice and it should surely start to clear you out. Obviously, if you're not like an avid watermelon drinker, any type of fruit or veggie that is a natural diuretic, you just kind of want to be a little bit careful of how much at one time you consume it, because I can't guarantee that it's going to be white pants approved all the time. But watermelon is also good for women during their monthly cycle in conjunction with beets. Like I said, beneficial to your kidneys, and it's been known to be nature's Viagra. So for my men out there who are struggling, drink you some watermelon juice. Anyway, let's go ahead and get the scooping, dropping, and juicing. All right, y'all. So seeds and all, I'm just literally going to scoop out the contents from the watermelon and drop it into our juicer. So I wasn't able to get the whole half in here, obviously. So we've hit well beyond our max fill line. So we're going to juice this, and then we're going to just finish, you guys, because I don't know how long it's going to take me, but I'm going to let this run the full cycle so you guys can see the Nama J in action. Obviously, it's filled up very quickly, so we're going to just release some of the juice here. I want y'all to be able to see the juice coming out. Juice, baby, juice. So pretty. All right. Okay, you guys. So this container is almost 35 ounces, and we've reached almost 35 ounces. We're literally just below the line. So I think I'm about to get like a good amount of juice from this baby. So let's go ahead and continue, and we will be right back, you guys. All right, you guys. So we got her down. We almost got her down to her birthday suit. I scraped out, Lord. I scraped out as much of it as I could, and then whatever juice is in there, I poured it in there. But we have reached our max fill line on our juicer. But I just wanted you guys to see. It's so pretty. So pretty. So I just wanted you guys to see where we were. This is half of our watermelon, okay? And let's get to juicing. All right, y'all, here is the other half of our watermelon. which we also got down almost to her birthday suit. And yes, y'all, we got a lot of juice. Like, and I still got 2 hunks of watermelon that I couldn't fit in the juicer because it's at its max fill line. But we done. All right, you guys, we are done. Excuse the mess. We are still cleaning up, but look at all this. Oh, sorry, y'all. Look at all this juice, you guys. So we totaled at how much? 158 ounces, y'all. And I still had enough to give my kids a little treat. Shy loves watermelon. Jason liked watermelon too. But I just didn't see the point of throwing that in there because it wouldn't have fit in any of the containers anywhere. Or we could have just poured it in a glass and just drank it, but whatever. So 158 ounces of juice, y'all. So that watermelon definitely was much bigger than the last one I had because obviously I yielded a whole extra 28 ounces of juice. So listen, honey, y'all see this color though? Like, appreciate the color. Look how pretty and vibrant that is. That's how you know it's good. And it's gonna get even better, honey, when it sit and get nice and cold up in this Frigidaire. One of these is definitely going to work with me tomorrow. I might be nice and take another one so I can give my coworkers a little sippy sip. But yeah, so if they can't fit in the regular fridge, I'm sure that I can find space in the mini fridge that's out in the garage. And yeah, so this is what juicing an entire 10+ pound watermelon is gonna look like for y'all. Happy juicing. Don't forget, especially we're gearing up to summertime, y'all. It's hot as hell out there. You want to make sure that you're hydrated and swap out your sodas for some watermelon juice. You won't regret it. You're going to be nice and hydrated, especially if you're at the beach, out in that hot ass sun, theme parks. Well, I don't know if you can take that type of stuff in the theme park. I haven't been to a theme park in a long time, so I don't know the rules. But yes, if you're having a pool day, beach day, swap out. I ain't gonna tell y'all to swap out your alcohol because I know you want your little cocktails by the poolside. But you know, swap out some of them sodas for maybe some watermelon juice. Maybe you'll drink watermelon juice instead of drinking water. You know, like it's literally, hence the name, watermelon. Watermelon. What is it, Jason? Watermelon. Watermelon. Y'all better eat this damn watermelon and get hydrated. Stop playing around. And of course, I will list all the key facts / benefits in the description box so that you guys have that to reference by. Of course, I am not a licensed medical professional. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm not a dietitian. I'm just somebody who enjoys juicing, and I enjoy the benefits that I feel from juicing. So hopefully you are inspired to go buy you a big ass watermelon, juice it, eat it, slice it up, cube it up, cut it up. I don't care what you do with it. Just get you a watermelon. It's in season. Tis is the season. All right, you guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share. Click the notification bell so you don't miss the next upload. Subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with what we have going on over here. I promise to not be away as long as I was. I am back in school, y'all. As if I had any room on my plate for anything else, but we are figuring it out, honey. And I said, you know what? Let me come out here and make a little quick video for my people. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Spread love is free, costs nothing. Tell somebody that you love them. Peace.